Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. In this video series, we are taking you an exciting journey across the USA, flying between the major cities, checking out cool hotels, hopping on the city bus tours, and visiting iconic sightseeing spots along the way. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video, it's about to get really exciting. Welcome to episode number 2. It's day 1 of my USA East to West Coast trip. I have just landed to the New York City and heading to the famous Marriott Marquis Hotel, one of the best hotel in Times Square.
तो पुनीत जी आपकी ड्राइविंग में सारे एक्सपेंसेस निकल जाते हैं. न्यूयॉर्क तो जस्ट लाइक स्विट्जरलैंड है ना, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव सिटी है.
बहुत है लेकिन चलो ऐसे टाइम पास चल रहा है.
मतलब आपको बुकिंग सारी ऐसी मिलती है या फिर आप वैसे भी ओला उबर भी चलाते हो?
वैसे भी मुझे उबर भी चलाता हूँ, तो कंपनियों के साथ भी काम करता हूँ.
तो आप यहाँ पे वेल सेटल्ड हो, मैरिड वगैरह, मैरिड लाइफ चल?
हाँ, मेरी वाइफ बच्चे सारी फैमिली और फैमिली.
तो उन सबके पास ही पीआर ही है?
हाँ जी.
In my last video, I arrived at JFK Airport in New York on Air India flight AI-101 and shared some useful tips about TSA logs, budget airport transfers, SIM card and currency cost. If you have not seen that video yet, click the I button on the screen to watch it first. Actually, New York City is made up of 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx and the Staten Island. From the airport to Manhattan, it's around 26 kilometers. It's about a 40 minutes drive from JFK to Times Square. The total area of New York City is about 789 square kilometers. Now we are on the roads of Times Square, surrounded by the bright boards, big screens, and tall skyscrapers around us. Times Square is right in the center of Manhattan and the place that never sleeps in the New York City. It's one of the most popular tourist spots in the world and known for its shopping, theaters, giant bright billboards, and the Broadway shows and lively atmosphere. The journey from the airport to the hotel is about to end, and cannot believe my dream of visiting Times Square is coming true today.
अगर कोई परेशानी कोई बात हो तो फोन मेरे पे पैसे मैं आपको बता दूंगा. अगर है तो होगा ना उधर.
So I have finally reached the hotel. I don't know where this energy is coming from. The tiredness from the 16 hours flight just disappeared as soon as I entered this area. The entrance feels grand, clean and very secure. You can already sense the luxury here. Now we are walking towards the revolving glass door, the main entrance of the hotel. Beside the revolving door, you will see a red board showing all the floor sections. It helps you find where everything is here, like the main lobby on the 8th floor, restaurants, meeting hall and other facilities. It's really helpful, especially for the first time visitor, because this hotel is huge and has multiple levels. After entering, there is a short passage or hallway that takes you to the elevator area. Now we are heading to the 8th floor lobby. The elevator is spacious and everything looks modern and clean.
Yeah, 8th floor.
There'll be another one.
Yeah. They are not lucky. So not from New York?
From Michigan.
Michigan. That's good.
Interestingly, while the main address is on the Broadway, the practical arrival point for car taxis is on a side street, which leads up to an elevated lobby. Now we are walking inside the lobby now. Let's see if they are asked for any holding amount or deposit at the counter.
I'm gonna hold $200 on your credit card, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the room is ready now, so I'm gonna get you checked in early. Okay, can I see your credit card, please?
Yeah.
Gonna hold $200 on your credit card, yes. And then it's $100 per day as a deposit, but it go back. You get it back, okay? Okay, we have you in a king size bed. The room's ready, 11th floor, okay?
Can you give me view better?
The view is $125 per night to face Times Square. It's more money. It's a premium room. Okay?
So you have your key?
Yeah. So I have to use every time this key?
If you're going from a different floor, yes.
Okay.
Unless you're coming to the 8th floor, you need your key.
Don't need a key.
You don't need a key for the 8th floor, no.
Reception.
Okay, elevator key. Right here. Okay. Sorry. Oh, careful.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. My pleasure. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. Have a good one, okay?
Yeah.
You too.
Fine. So where are you from?
Where am I from?
Yeah.
Miami. Is that
Florida.
11? Are you 11?
Yeah.
Thanks. The cost of the room per night depends on the season and room type. For a standard room, it starts from around $314 per night, which is roughly 26,000 rupees in Indian currency. As I am entering inside the room, on immediate left, I typically find a wardrobe. Ahead is the main room, crisp decor, neutral tones, keeping it modern but calm. The light from the windows hits nicely, especially in hilly floors. From here you can see a beautiful view of surrounding buildings. Room amenities include king-size bed, large work desk with chair, TV, mini fridge and coffee tea maker. Now I am stepping inside the bathroom. The bathroom looks modern with a glass enclosed standing shower, a toilet and a sink area. It has a marble or high quality finishes, giving it a clean and premium look. Now I am wrapping up this video here. In the next one we will explore and enjoy the nightlife of the New York City. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel vlogs and updates.